Hey guys, Tiffany here, and I have got a super cute craft for you today. I took a photo and transferred it to wood, and it turned out amazing. So if you want to see how I made this, just keep watching. So for this craft, we're going to need a wood board, and I got this for $2.99 at Hobby Lobby. You're going to need a picture printed on a laser printer. I went to Office Max and I paid 59 cents plus tax for this. You can either use this gloss gel. This was $22.99 at Hobby Lobby, but remember you can use a 40% off coupon every time you go if you have the app. You just download the app, hit coupon, and you get a 40% off regular price every single day. So if this is not in your budget, then you can use Mod Podge. If you want, you can use this. This was $8.99 at Hobby Lobby. It's going to do the job, it's just not going to be as good. So you pick your poison. Then I'm going to use this to apply. And then I got these super cute flowers. Look how freaking cute those are. I'm going to put those around the edges. Hello, come back, baby. There we are. I'm going to use these around the edges because those are freaking adorable. Let's get this started. Come here. So I'm going to start with this. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put a pretty heavy layer on it. Now I'm just going to smooth this out. Now I'm going to take my picture. Look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? That's my fam. This is Cashmere. This is Ian. This is Ryan. Now just smooth it down. You want to make sure you don't have any bubbles. I'm going to use this and I'm going to smash out all these bubbles. I guess you could use like a debit card. Now we're just going to let this sucker dry and we'll be back. Let that soak in for a minute. I'm going to push this on here. So we want it nice and wet. Now that this is soaked in nice and good, now you just want to rub your fingers back and forth. Don't go too long on the same spot because it'll rub it off, which is the reason why I got the flowers to go on the ends. Look how thrilled my husband looks. He does not like his picture taken. And you can tell once it gets to where all the paper is off. Let's see if that'll focus. So just keep rubbing. I'm really excited, guys, that this is turning out. I'm really excited about this. As you can see right here that the color is real dark. That's where there's no paper at. So maybe just getting it just that little bit wet, I can get the rest off. That looks like that might have worked out really well. Look how great that looks, guys. There, look at that, guys. Seriously. That looks so awesome. Man, guys, this turned out awesome. You could do so many things. You could do Christmas tree ornaments. How freaking adorable would that be? You could do this for a gift for Christmas for somebody. You're talking $3 for the plaque. You're talking $3 plus tax for the plaque. You're talking 59 cents plus tax for the paper. You don't have to get these, and you can go with the Mod Podge. And if you went with the Mod Podge, do you know how many of these you could do? Guys, seriously, $4 a gift. You're talking $4. And if you wanted to go extra fancy, $10. I'm thrilled. I am just absolutely blown away and thrilled by this. So let's get these out and let's put these on here. And there you have it, guys. I hope you had a great time. I know I did, and I was super excited that everything turned out the way it was supposed to. So go ahead and hit that like, hit subscribe, share my videos, that way I can keep making videos. Now I am probably going to go to only posting on Friday or Saturdays because the adventures wasn't really going over so well. So leave me ideas. If you guys want me to teach you how to do something, leave it in the comments below. Until next time. Mwah.